Hi, my name is Intisar. I'm a photographer, writer, and dancer. And the prompt for this week is, where have you found the light? What can you see in the dark? So I took some time to write into my journal to brainstorm. And then I went to the park and I filmed and I photographed myself with my eyes closed, moving to find the light in the shadows. There are all kinds of things you can do with this prompt. You can write about it, you can dance about it, you can do a kind of similar thing. You can also think about the things you see with your eyes closed in your dreams, and you can make art from that. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy this prompt.